Hello, this is Ramona from Bastrop, Texas. My donkey Alister got sick during the first week of December 2025. The vet came out and said he had uveitis. It is an eye disease. Even with the medicine, his left eye is now blind. In December, Alister could only see shadows with his right eye. Thanks to Ellie, his right eye has improved tremendously. He doesn't run into things. I bought a new donkey, Willy, in January. He is standing right in front of me. He is to help Alister and to be a companion. He is the brown donkey. Ellie has calmed both donkeys, and she has helped Willy adjust to his new surroundings. Donkeys are very special, smart animals that need lots of love and attention. I owe so much to all the work that Ellie has done to help me. Thank you.